a new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. 8 o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it. Nothing you say makes it better. Wreck and fall, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Hey, bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the
okay, y'all. So I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue. Okay, so if you've been watching me recently, whenever it's a unit that I caught with my own coins, I give you guys shout outs. For the ones of you that are always supporting me down below in the comments, always liking my videos, and have been rocking with me, I want to start giving shout outs in the videos that are not sponsored. So this particular subscriber shout out goes to Tina Wells. Shout out to you, boo. I really do appreciate you. You've been rocking with me for a while, and I appreciate every single comment, all the love. I really do appreciate it. If you want a subscriber shout out, just make sure you comment down below, honey, in every video. You like the video, and I will give you a shout out. Okay, so now let's get into this video. Okay, y'all, so this is yet another unit that I caught with my own coin. Shout out to me for copping a unit with my points, honey. This unit is by Outre. It is their lace front wig. Child, lace front wig. Yeah, that's what it says, honey, okay? It says 5-inch deep parting, pre-plucked lace parting, natural baby hairs, and it has HD transparent lace. It says heat resistant fiber, safe up to 400 degrees. And I have it in the color DR4/tiramisu. And I have it in the style Luciana, honey, okay? On the stock card, it has a picture of a model wearing deep burgundy and the DR4 tiramisu, which is the color that I have. And then on the back, it has the special colors and the care guide. So this is what it looks like on the stock card. If y'all hear my kids, honey, they in there playing something, what is that called? Minecraft or something? I don't know, honey. They're playing it on their own separate things, and they're loud. Okay, I've told them to stop being loud, but honey, okay, it's only so much I can do in here because they can't even hear me over the loudness. So if you hear them, honey, they're not dying. They're just screaming at each other because that's what they do. Okay, y'all, so this particular unit, as I stated, I did get it in the DR4 tiramisu color, and I got this color because it was reminding me of a sandy sort of color, so that was why I decided to get the DR4 tiramisu. As you can see, the roots, I don't know if you can tell, but the roots are 4. They may look darker on camera, but they are the number 4. DR stands for dark roots, number 4, okay? Girl, can you get it out? So yeah, that is the color of this unit, and honestly, it's giving me a different vibe than I thought it would. Honestly, I'll get into it more later on when I tell you what I think about the unit, but it's definitely giving me a different vibe than I initially thought. Now, with these types of units, they are lace parting wigs, but it does have HD lace, and I love units like this because it's easy, girl, and you know I'm always looking for some easiness. That's just me, okay? That's just me. I'm always looking for some easiness because your girl be needing it, okay? I be needing the easiness so I can deal with my children, okay? Throw on some hair and deal with life, okay? So I love a really easy unit, and that's why I love the lace parting wigs, and I also love the fact that it's HD lace. So the HD lace looks like this. Now, is it Pre-pluck? No, ma'am. I hope they ain't say that. Did they say that? Yes, girl. They said pre-pluck. I don't know where she pre-plucked that, but whatever, honey. That's what they say on the card. All I can do is tell you what they say. Now, it does come with the baby hairs, but with this style and the way that I personally wanted to style it, I did not feel the need to utilize the baby hairs, but it does come with baby hairs. And as you can see on the stock card, if you can see it, girl, the model is kind of wearing baby hairs. And I think that the one video, I didn't watch the video, but the thumbnail that I saw, that particular person did use the baby hairs as well. I just opted not to because I like the little bangs that they have here, and it did come cut like this, which is a good thing because it just gave it a different sort of look. As far as shedding and tangling goes with this particular unit, I have not noticed either. I haven't noticed any shedding or no tangling. That doesn't mean at some point she won't, girl. You know what I be saying. That don't mean at some point she won't. It just means right out of the packaging she is doing none of the things. Okay, so yeah, shout out to you, Outre, for that. As far as it being big head friendly, I do think that the wig is big head friendly. I did adjust the straps and it fits me good. So I always tell you guys I wear an average cap size. So I can't say what's gonna really fit on your head, honey, because it's your head, not my head. But if I have to adjust the straps, then to me that means that it can fit a bigger size head. Now, if I don't have to adjust the straps and she fits snugly, then I say it's small to medium. That's kind of like how I gauge that. And I say that in all of my videos because, honey, you never know what people are watching, okay? So I always like to say that as of late. And yeah, that is basically it as far as the details and specs go. Now, honey, if you are interested in what I think about old girl, as well as the full 360, then please continue to watch. All right, y'all. Honestly, I was pretty pleasantly surprised with this unit. And what made me surprised at this unit is this little part right here. I love this. I'm going to put on my glasses because right now I have on my contacts. But once I put on the wig, I was like, this will be cute with these glasses. Look, I don't know if the thumbnail will have them or not because I got on contacts and I'm probably not going to be wearing the glasses the whole day. So I'm probably just going to take it for the thumbnail picture. So I don't know, but I just think it looks really cute with these little circular glasses. It's just the sort of vibe that it was giving me. But yeah, I am definitely feeling this wig. I just think it's cute. I think it's fun. I would like it in other colors. Like, I think I would like this in a 1B or something, like a natural color as well. But I wanted to get the blonde because of the summer months. And I feel like I've been doing a lot of natural colors when it comes to my syntheticals. And honey, you know I love my syntheticals. So I've been doing a lot of natural colors. So I wanted to step outside the box. And I did get 2 different units. So I got this one and another one that's like a sandy blonde. Just because it's summer, honey. And you guys know I like to throw out the blondes in the summer months. Child, my lashes look like they sad. Like, what are they doing? What is this side doing? This side is my bad eye, okay? Anyways, I digress. But yeah, I am really feeling the unit. I think it is cute. I think it's spunky and it's easy. I am always looking for a good, easy wig. And this is a good, easy unit in my personal opinion. It's cute and it's easy. Child. Now I will say initially I was like, hold on, honey, she looking a little scase in the back. It was giving me, you know, the spacing underneath, you know what I mean, with the units. But I went underneath and kind of fluffed her out, and yeah, that fixed that right on up. So now she's fluffy all over and I am feeling her. Let me know down below what you guys think. Are you feeling her? Do you think she's a look as well? I am really feeling her. Now, as far as this parting, I think it could be tweezed out a little more. It's not a big deal to me because you know your girl don't care, honey. I'm gonna wear her as is. But you know, it is a little dense. It's not crazy dense, and plus it has these little humps here. I actually like the humps. That's why I didn't get out my hot comb because I like the humps, girl. Okay, my humps, my lovely lady humps. Okay, like I like the humps. I think it's a vibe. So let me know down below what you guys think. I am interested. I am interested to know if you've seen any other reviews on this particular unit. I really couldn't find any, but I am interested in if you own this wig. Let me know what you think. Let me know, sound off down below in the comments. And yeah, girl, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and we can wrap this thing all the way. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you're feeling it, if you're interested, and if it's available, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button, sis. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I am held to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time.